Are you someone who finds getting job interviews really hard and stressful? Well, guess what? You're not alone. A recent survey on our website showed that over 26,000 professionals feel the biggest challenge when it comes to finding a job is landing those interviews. And honestly, that breaks my heart, because the truth is you and all those other folks are actually being shut out of the hiring process and you don't even know it. Here's why. One of the biggest mistakes that was ever made in the hiring process was inventing something called the easy button. And you know what this is. It's that button that lets you do a one-click apply to a job online. The online job application system is completely broken. The applicant tracking systems, also known as ATS, are what gather all of those applications in. And because of that easy button, that one-click apply, you now have hundreds, sometimes thousands of people applying for the same job. That's right, I'm not kidding. Thousands of people just like you, which has made the competition to land jobs even tougher. In fact, studies show that less than 3%, that's right, 3% of the people that apply online ever hear back from an employer. So let's put that in perspective. For every 100 jobs that you take all the time in the world to apply to online, you're lucky if even 3 of them call you back. That is abysmal. It's terrible, it's frustrating, it's demotivating, and it's what's breaking your job search. But I gotta tell you, there is a solution. My name's JT O'Donnell. I'm the founder of Work It Daily. And for the last 15 years, I've been helping people just like you remove the roadblocks to success so that they can find their dream jobs. And I've built an incredible tutorial that describes the 8 ways that you're being completely shut out of the hiring process. This free video tutorial has helped thousands of people realize exactly what they're doing wrong so that they can make those changes and start to get those job interviews. And all you have to do is go to the link that's either up here or down below in the description, pop in your email address, and you will get instant access to this tutorial. Now, I know I'm asking you for your email address, and I know you don't like that, but here's the thing. I need to know that you're committed to this. I like to work with people who understand that if they have the right information and resources, they can get new and better results. I like to work with people who understand just the littlest of changes can have a big impact. So if you're that type of person, then I promise you this is your tutorial, and it's completely free, but you do have to pop in your email address. So go up there, click the link, down below, up above, wherever, go check it out. I promise you're gonna learn the 8 ways that you are being completely shut out of the hiring process and how you can turn things around and get employers to contact you. All right, I hope to see you on the other side. Remember, if you wanna win, you've gotta work it daily, and it all starts with new information. So click the link, join the webinar, and let's get started.